In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when you're getting no sound through your TV while playing on your PS5. So the first thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller and select sound settings at the bottom. Now where you see output device, make sure that this is on TV. And if you're in a PlayStation party, make sure the audio balance isn't set all the way to voice chat. Rather, put it in the middle or turn it all the way over to game. Now if you're not in a PlayStation party, don't worry about that. So now what we're going to do is go back, and if you're still experiencing issues, make sure on your TV that it's not accidentally muted and that the volume's turned up. And then in settings on PS5, we're going to scroll down and select sound settings. Then scroll down to audio output on the left sidebar, and where it says switch output device automatically, make sure that's turned on. And for the HDMI device type, you want to ensure that this is on TV. And if you do have your HDMI cable plugged into an AV amplifier or soundbar, make sure that the HDMI cable connected to your PS5 is running straight into your TV to see if that's the problem. So now we're going to scroll down, and where you see audio format, make sure this is on a linear PCM. And if you're still experiencing problems at this point, press the PlayStation button on your controller, and you want to power off your console fully. Then what you want to do is unplug the power from your PS5 as well as TV, and plug them all back in and reboot it, and then test out the sound to see if it works. And if it's still not working, it could be a hardware issue, meaning the HDMI cable, the PS5, or your TV's damaged, in which case I'd try swapping them out individually if you can to find the problem. This guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.